Hi everyone, I'm Mahesh. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Java and how to set Java path on Windows operating system. First, we need to verify if Java is already installed on the machine. For that, hit Windows key, type cmd and hit enter, which opens a command prompt window. Here, type Java and you see a message here, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, meaning you either don't have Java installed on your machine or Java was not set in the path variable. So to double confirm, open this PC, go to C program files and try to find the folder with name Java where if Java was installed that will be the default location. So find the folder with name Java. I don't see any folder with name Java here, meaning Java is not installed on this machine. So we need to download Java first. For that, open any of your favorite browsers, go to Google and type Java download here and try to find a link with from the Oracle website. You can see Java SE downloads here. Just click on this link and you can see here the latest version of Java 15, which is not long-term supported. So slowly scroll down to find Java 8 here. We also have Java 11, which is long-term supported, but I am going to download Java 8 as it is widely used in the enterprises at present. And SE here stands for Standard Edition. You can see many links here under Oracle JDK. So just click on the first link JDK download, which will take you to the next page where you can see many files specific to the operating system. Slowly scroll down to find Windows, and you can see two types of Windows files here. So Windows x86, which is for Windows 32-bit operating system, and you can see Windows x64, which is for 64-bit operating system. Now, how to find if my machine is 32-bit or 64-bit, right? So for that, hit Windows key again, type PC, and you can see this PC here. Right click on it, click on properties. You can see system type here, 64-bit operating system. So meaning my machine is 64-bit operating system and I need to download the file for Windows 64-bit. You can see here. So I need to click on this exe file. Just accept this license agreement and click on download button, which will take you to the Oracle sign in page. So if you already have the credentials here, just provide the credentials and click on sign in, or else you just need to create your own account by clicking on create account, which will ask you the basic details. So just provide your basic details and create account, and again come back to this sign in page, provide your credentials here and clicking on sign in button downloads the file. Let me provide my credentials here, click on sign in, and you can see the file started downloading. So let me cancel this as I already downloaded this file on my machine. And in your case, you will not be doing this. You will allow the file to get downloaded completely. Once it is downloaded, so open downloads folder and you should be seeing a file like this. So right click on this file, run as administrator. We are going to install Java now. So you'll see the first screen like this, setup screen. So click on next. And this is the default location where Java will be installed. So if you wanted to install in some other location, just click on change and browse for any other location, or else you can just accept the default and click on next button. So it takes a few seconds to install JDK, and you can see it's asking to provide the location for JRE as well. So along with when we try to install JDK, we also get JRE. So we also need JRE. So we need to install JRE and specify the location where you wanted your JRE to be installed. So I'm going with the default. So just click on next. And again, it takes a few seconds to install JRE. So it is done. Just click on close button and now navigate back to C program files, and now we see Java folder here, and you can also see two folders here, one for JDK and another for JRE. So we install both JDK and JRE. In the coming sessions, we'll be discussing more on what JDK is, what JRE is, what JVM is, and all. So for now, you can just go to JDK, and you can see bin folder here. So click on that, and you can see here javac.exe, which is used for compiling the Java programs. And you can also see java.exe, which we also called as JVM, which is used to run the Java programs. Now that we are done with installation of Java, let's again open command prompt window and type Java. So we still get this message, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So the same message, right? So meaning we didn't set the Java in the path variable. So why we need to set Java in the path variables? Let's start with that. So for that, let me take an example. So hit Windows key again on your machine and type CLAC, calculator. So we all know this calculator is a pre-built application which comes with the Windows operating system, right? So now we'll navigate to the location where we have this application. So you have that in C Windows System 32. Just search for CLAC, calc.exe. You can see here. So this is where it is actually getting launched, calculator application. So let me open command prompt window here, and we can also open calculator application from this location as well. See, and just type calc.exe and hit enter. So this also opens the calculator application, right? Now what I'm going to do here is just close this. I'll just navigate to C, new folder, and you can see I don't have any files here under C new folder, right? So let me show you that as well. So I have a folder called new folder under C directory where I don't have any files here, right? Still, I wanted to type CALC and just hit enter. And you can see calculator application getting opened here, right? All right. Now let's repeat the same steps for Java as well. So we'll navigate to C program files where we have Java installed, JDK bin where we have java.exe, right? So I'll open command prompt window here and we'll type java here .exe. And you can see this time I'm not getting any message like any error message like Java was not recognized, but I'm getting some options here. This is not the error message, but these are the options we can use along with the Java command is what I'm getting, meaning Java was recognized now by the operating system, right? Now let's do another thing. So let's go back to CD new folder. Under C, I'm going to new folder where I don't have any files in it. Now I'll try to hit Java. I'll try to execute Java command. See, here we say we are getting Java is not recognized as an internal or external command still. So what's the difference between opening the calculator application and Java? So let's see the difference now. For that, go to this PC, right click on it, go to properties, click on advanced system settings. You can see environment variables here. Just click on that. And you get an environment variables window here. Under system variables, find a variable called path. So double click on it. And you can see list of environment variables here. So from these variables, you can see C Windows System 32 here. So where our calculator application exe file was there, right? So what Windows operating system or any operating system does is, so whenever you try to launch any application from any folder, it searches if that application is present within that folder. If it is not present, then what operating system does is it comes and verifies in the path variables. So these are all the different path variables, and it searches from the top to bottom each location. So whether that application which you are trying to run or launch is present in these locations or not. And you can clearly see here, C Windows System 32. Here we have calculator.exe file, and that's how. So the calculator was calculator app got launched, right? So in the same way, we wanted to launch or execute Java commands from anywhere in the operating system. So I don't need to navigate to the folder where I have Java exe, right? So I should be executing the Java commands from anywhere on the operating system. I can be on any other folder, on any other location, but if I just hit Java, so I should be able to execute the Java command. So for that, we need to set the Java path. This is the reason we need to set the Java path. And for how to set it is, just go back to see this location where we have jdk bin java.exe. So copy this path and be careful here. So modifying anything existing here will make your system behave, abnormal. So just click on new here and copy the path which you got it for Java. All right, now just click on OK here, OK again, right? Always we need to open new command prompt window whenever you make some changes, as the existing command prompt window will have the old configuration. Now let me type Java here, and you can see here I am not into the C program files JDK bin path. So I'm somewhere C user Mahesh, or you can actually go back to C CD new folder where we don't have anything. I don't have any files here, but if I run Java command here, I still get the options. So meaning now operating system is able to recognize Java as the command. So this is why we need to set the path in environment variables, and this is how we should be setting the path so that you can execute the Java programs from anywhere, from any location on your operating system. So in this video, we learned about like how to verify if Java is installed on your machine or not, how to download Java, how to install it, and why to set the path and how to set the path. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.